How to get Uber Eats bonuses in 2025. Looking to boost your earnings with Uber Eats in 2025? Here's how you can take advantage of the latest bonus opportunities. Sign up bonuses. New drivers can earn a guaranteed bonus by completing a set number of deliveries within a specific time frame. For instance, complete 100 deliveries in your first 30 days to earn a bonus up to $1,000. Quest promotions. Earn extra cash by completing a certain number of deliveries within a designated period. For example, complete 50 deliveries between Monday and Friday to earn an additional $100. Boost plus incentives. Receive higher earnings for deliveries made in specific areas during peak times. Check the promotions tab in your driver app to see available Boost plus zones and times. Surge pricing. During times of high demand, certain areas experience surge pricing, allowing you to earn more per delivery. These zones are highlighted in your app, so plan your schedule to take advantage of these periods. Uber Eats Pro. This rewards program offers benefits like cashback on gas and discounts on car maintenance. Earn points by completing deliveries and maintaining high customer ratings to unlock higher tiers and more rewards. Referral bonuses. Invite friends to join Uber Eats using a referral code. When they sign up and complete the required number of deliveries, you both earn bonuses. Lifetime delivery milestones. Uber Eats now offers tiered bonuses for reaching lifetime delivery milestones, such as 100, 500, or 1,000 deliveries. Keep delivering to unlock these rewards. You found these tips helpful? Like, share, and follow for more insights on maximizing your Uber Eats earnings.